Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Marvin and it's a beautiful Sunday afternoon. I'm gonna be washing the car, but in this video I'll be showing you how I clean my wheels and my tires and the arches specifically. So let's go. I just want to give a big shout out to Drive Clean PH and Gyeon Philippines for making this video happen. If you need car care products, just head over to carcare.ph, find your product, place the product order, and then wait for it at home. And then clean your car, because it's a very good idea to clean your car. Woo! Looks daunting, right? But I'm gonna break it down as simple as I can, guys. I'll show you my process. So what's my goal? My goal is really just to put Q2 tire on the tires and make the wheels clean. This is a silica base, one of the best out there in the market. Ooh, very excited to try. I've seen the water repellency of this product and it is spot on. I can't wait to see it. But before we get there, we have to clean the tire and the wheel. So what are we gonna need? All right, so I'm gonna break it down to you now. Let's talk tire cleaning. For this example, we're going to use Q2M tire cleaner. Usually when there's an M, I notice that it's a maintenance product. I'm not sure if that's the case. So we're going to use the new tire cleaner. But you can also use your favorite APC or your citrus degreaser. It doesn't matter as long as you have what you have and make good use of it. To agitate that, you'll need your tire brush. In this case, I have one Tough Shine, one SGC GB. You'd ideally want to look for a shape like this because it's ergonomic. It will not hurt your wrist. And the bristles are perfectly stiff. This one's just a little bit too stiff for me. So I'll be using this one. And we'll also be cleaning the inside of the barrels. Whoops, what are we gonna use inside the barrels? We can either use our favorite car shampoo and a pump sprayer. Focus, my man. Or we can also use Q2M Bug and Grime. This is great for wheel arches, I've read. We can also use this. So for the inside of the barrel, we'll also want to clean that. We have an assortment of brushes here. You don't have to have everything. In this case, we're going to try and use what Gyeon sent, our wheel brush. This is the large one. I think it's going to be perfect for the Forester's wheels. For the Jazz, it's either we're going to use our wheel woolies because the spokes are small. We'll use this one. This is made out of synthetic wool. Or we can also use this. This is the Easy Detail brush. Doesn't really scratch your rims, but you know, this is safer. For the face of the wheels and nooks and crannies, you want to get something soft, or if you want to step up the aggressiveness, you can move on to this kind of brush. It's up to you. You could also use your wash mitt. For really tight areas, you could use a detailing brush like this. To rinse everything off, you're just gonna need your special regular water and some sort of delivery equipment or not. Just use your finger with a hose. We're gonna use a high pressure gun. If you want to step up in cleaning the car, you know, washing alone is not enough. So you could use Q2M iron and tar to remove any bonded contaminants, because as you can see, you know, brake dust really gets into your wheels as well as tar, especially tar this rainy season. So we're gonna go ahead and use this as well in preparation for a clean car. You see, I haven't really used both of these, so I'm gonna smell them. It's the most logical way to test something. Tire cleaner smells like tire cleaner. Q2 tire. Ooh, this smells refreshing. And for reference, this smells like rotten eggs. This smells like a chemical. I forgot to mention the most important thing that you're gonna need today. Yep, it's a cup of common sense. So, you know, just practice common sense when you're cleaning. Like, don't wash the wheels when it's super hot. Don't let the product dry out. stuff like that. You'll also need a bucket where you can put your tools in and put rinse water in. That's what you need. Okay, let's start cleaning. The first step, very important, is rinse well. Dislodge any loose particles from the car so you can start cleaning safely. Let's go. Step 2 is now cleaning. I'd like to start off with the tires, so I'm gonna go ahead and lay some tire cleaner there and scrub away. Couple of squirts on the brush. I forgot to put my professional gloves on. Sorry guys, but it's a good idea to wear gloves. If your tires are really dirty, you might have to do a second pass, but in this case, it's fairly white sud, so I think I'm good. Here's a tip. Just get any microfiber and wipe it with the tire cleaner. This ensures the flat surfaces get cleaned evenly. And that's how clean tires should look. Not greasy at all. Whew, yes! Boom! That's clean, bro. That is clean. Yeah, it's tough ice. Now I'm a believer. Yeah, boy. Next step is to clean the inner barrels. So I'm gonna clean the wheels now. This is a blue shampoo and a foamer that you need to pump. Okay, that won't fit, so let me take you in closer here. So very nice. It's the right amount of stiffness. What's your favorite wheel brush? Just sucks that this won't fit in the Jazz's spokes. Place a different one. If you have gloss black wheels, this is perfect. Look at this softy. Can you see all the dirt that's being lifted? I can. Ew. Then rinse. And then what I'd like to do next is get inside these parts, this, the lug nuts, everything here, so that I'll make sure I clean it very well. Just get your girlfriend's makeup brush. I just press this together so that it can fit here nicely, and then twist. Okay, next we're going to tackle the wheel arches, and we're going to use some bug and grime remover just to take out any... Hey, why is it... Spray. There you go. After a few seconds, you can now use your old wash mitt and then just put some soap there just to help with lubrication so you don't scratch it. And go ahead and give it a wipe. If your car is really dirty, make sure you rinse this frequently. A good job in rinsing, that's why there's no sand in there. following step is optional. You'd want to use an iron fallout remover because there are brake dust, iron contaminants in those wheels, but you can't see it because it's black, but it's there. But it's a good idea to clean it anyways. So let's go. Oop, professional gloves on, let's go. Since you won't be able to see the reaction as much as I want to show you, I'll overlay some video of the Forester's wheels getting cleaned so you can get a pretty good idea of what it does. Basically, it dissolves the rust and the brake dust particles so you can safely remove it. Dust fallout remover. Forgot to tell you, you just have to wait like 3 to 5 minutes for this thing to work. Don't spray it on and then just rinse it off. You're gonna waste your product. Don't wanna waste that money on ya. You can see some of the fallout there. I'm gonna rinse it off. Last step I do is I use tar remover. Even though you can't see it, doesn't mean it's not there. Let's wait a couple of seconds for it to dissolve. Let me just get the cloth. I would normally use a microfiber towel, but for this case, you see the discoloration? Not sure if you can pick that up, but so there you go. See the tar that came off? After all that washing, there's still some. That's what you want to get out. Wait a few seconds and rinse it off. We're gonna speed up the drying process using our blower, and then we'll put some Q2 tire. Okay, so for this week, I'm just gonna go ahead and use some Sonex Brilliant Shine Detailer on the rims just to help me get through the next wash. For tire dressings, I usually use my clean Korea applicator block, but I have old protectant here, so we're not gonna use this for now. We're just gonna get a new one. For now, we're just gonna use a beat up, it's fairly clean, microfiber here. And we're gonna use Q2 tire. Let's use this to prime the pad. Let's see how that fares.
Ooh, wow, this goes on smooth.
I'm gonna report back to the channel on its durability. So stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. This looks good. It's not that shiny. Oh, on camera it does look shiny, but in real life it doesn't. Yeah, boy. Bring it in closer. The shine. Oops, gotta wipe that. But you get the idea. Arches are clean. Wheels are clean inside of the barrel. It's clean. Woo. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the before and this is the after. Hit like if you like it. If you want more, well, there's gonna be more whether you like it or not. So hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.